Hello, this is a Temu haul. If you're interested to see what I picked up, please stay tuned. Hello, if you're new to the channel, my name is Shalisa and this is So She Designs. In this video, I'm going to show or share with you 15 items that I picked up from Temu so you can see or hear how I feel about these items. This video is sponsored by Temu, but they allow me to have my own opinion. So let's get started with the video. If you're new to Temu, where have you been? It's an online marketplace where you can buy just about anything, home decor, fashion wear, and just about anything you can think of, you can find it on Temu. Item number 15 is this hand sewing machine kit for leather. So it comes with this. You can see there's a bobbin. This is a bobbin, and it comes with an extra bobbin in thread. It comes with a screwdriver, and it comes with 3 very nice thick quality threads. I have black, white, and a tan color right here, or cognac. I don't know what you call that color. But they're nice. They're really thick. I don't know if you can see how thick they are. Really nice. And the instructions, there's also a needle that goes in here where you can pierce your leather. Looking forward to using that. Very happy with what I was sent. For each item that I share with you guys, I will be putting the price on the screen. Now, I'm going to put the price that the item was when I made my order. Please note that Temu prices, sometimes they fluctuate a little up, a little down. It just depends. But I will put the price that of the item when I was ordering the item. If you're new to Temu, you can use my discount code on the screen to get extra deals along with all of the sales that they already currently have. They have flash sales all the time. They have 90-day return policy, and most of all, they have free shipping. So if you haven't checked out Temu, be sure to check them out. And did I mention they also have sewing and crafting supplies? I am an avid crafter, but I love to sew. So let's get on with the rest of these items that I picked up from Temu. Here's item number 14. Item number 14, I picked up this mini engraving tool. I picked this up so that I can mark my scissors because I love to go to retreats or sewing activities with other friends. And so my scissors don't get mixed up with other people. I purchased this so that I can put my initials or my name on my scissors. So this is just a small little engraving tool, and I'm really glad that I got it. It has came in very handy. Item number 13, I received some flat rhinestones. I ordered these to embellish the collar of a shirt. I think these would be really cute. They're a little smaller than I thought. So what I think I'm going to do is embellish like the corner of a collar. I think they would be really cute. You could also use these because of the size they are. You can also use these to upcycle a button that may be plain. You can glue these around the button, around the sides. Really, really pretty. I hope you can see they're really pretty. They really sparkle. So I can't wait. I think I'm going to use them to upcycle some buttons and just bring a button to the next level. Item number 12. This item is a snap button kit with the pliers. So what you do, take it out. One thing I do really, really love about Temu, all of the things I know I receive come with these very detailed instructions. They have very detailed pictures that tell you how to put everything together, and I really like that. So on the pliers, you're going to take the little white grips right here, and you're going to place those right here. And this spring is going to go in between that will allow you to have the grip on the snap. And it also comes with a variety of snaps that I cannot wait to use. These are good for making like bodysuits. Item number 11, you can never have too many of these sewing and sewing and pinning clips. Really, I've already been using these. I use these to hold fabric together. Use these to hold fabric together. They have assorted colors. These are really nice to have in your sewing room. I highly recommend getting these wherever you see them, but especially on Temu because you cannot beat the price. Now, I was in need of a little mini iron because sometimes when I'm sewing, I have little, I just need the little iron to go over just like a small portion to help me keep on moving on as I'm sewing. So I picked up this small little iron. When I tell you it is the cutest. It comes with this plug and you get this little iron, but it is so cute because it is just enough for me to, like if I decide to do some little last minute binding tape or binding strips, I have the little ironware with me. It comes with this little plug. Just plug this in and plug this into the outlet. Really nice, really cute. This right here sits beside my sewing machine. It's so little. Look at the little smiley face. It's so little and it's so cute. Item number 9 are these cute sewing scissors. If you follow me, you know that I am sucker for some scissors that can sit beside my sewing machine while I'm making my garments. So I purchased, I ordered these and I ordered the red, the red color red. They have multiple colors that you can order. So just pick out the color that is best for you. But I can't wait. These are really sharp. Let's open them up all the way. I have a sewing machine bag that's red, so these will go with, and the sewing machine is white. So these are for that sewing machine to carry with that one. Really cute, and I love the fact that I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can put it against this. But I love the tip. You can snip into the little corners and get that really nice, great tip on these. And did I say they were stainless steels? These are really nice, guys. I highly recommend these. Number 8, we're always in need of some tweezers, especially if you have a serger. You need tweezers. So I ordered this 2-pack in pink, my favorite color. There's one that is bent and there's one that is straight. These will help you get into tight spots. With the sewing machine, I can get into tight spots with that as well. Like I say, but I really, really love these for my serger. This stays beside my serger, so when I need it, I have it. Tweezers are a must-have in any sewing room, and I highly recommend you get these from Temu at the great price that they are. Of course, I had to order buttons. They have an array of buttons that you could order from, but I chose these vintage style buttons. It is a variety of buttons. I have, I think this is the 100-pack, but they are so different and colorful. So let's pour out some so you can see. Just so I can show you some of them. They are so pretty. And they're in different sizes right here. Oh, that's pretty. So there are a variety. Like I said, they have an array of buttons for you to choose from, but this was a 100-pack that I picked up because it's supposed to be like a vintage style, and that's something that I was interested in seeing how they look. They're beautiful. They're all, like I say, different colors. You have some of them the same color but different sizes. You can use these to embellish. You can put them on a shirt. So if you're interested in the buttons, please check them out because, like I said, they have an array of buttons and not just these buttons. Number 6, this is some resin. So one of the things as a crafter, I use resin to make array of things as well. And as a sewist, I use them to use in molds to make my own buttons. So I wanted to share with you this epoxy because it says epoxy resin crystal clear. It says expert quality. So what you do is you get two bottles, two 8-ounce bottles, the A and the B. But what I liked about this kit, it came with so much. It came with the gloves, it came with the little, I forget what you call these, but two of these. It came with gloves, and it came with these. These are the little things you stick your finger through. It's like a finger glove. Because sometimes if you work with resin, you know sometimes you need to smooth it out. I did get a chance to use it so I could show you how clear and beautiful that it came out. So I used this to make a pattern weight, and I just wanted to show you guys how clear it is. It's so beautiful. That's the felt. I put felt on the bottom, but it's so pretty. I just want you guys to see how clear it was. This is great. I love this, and I would definitely be ordering more of this resin. Now, if you're a sewist, you have to use applique. If not, you should start. And you can start by getting some of the beautiful appliques they have on Temu. Very beautiful. I picked out these two beautiful blue and green appliques. They are so gorgeous, guys. And came as a 2-pack. And I can't wait to embellish something with these. These are so gorgeous. I don't even know if you seeing them is doing it justice that it's doing for me seeing it in person. It is so beautiful. Item number 4, if sequins isn't your thing and those applique were just too much for you to handle, you can most definitely try these 3D peony, these florals. They are so beautiful. This, I would definitely order another one. These come in an array of colors as well. They come in multiple colors. I'll try to put the colors of the different colors of each one on the screen. But this is so beautiful, guys. This is gorgeous. And I would definitely be ordering more of these. This can bring any garment to the next level. It is long. See, that is so pretty. Item number 3 is this set of dressmaker's rulers. Guys, this is a set of 6 rulers. I do a lot of altering to my patterns. These come in very handy. Altering patterns, creating your own patterns. They are see-through. These are just nice overall to have in your sewing room. If you don't have these, I highly recommend you purchasing these as well. They come with curved rulers. Highly recommend. These are essential to have in your sewing room. You really need to get these. And at the price they are on Temu, you can't beat it. Okay, this is an 8-piece African fabric fat quarter bundle that I got from Temu. You will see the edges fraying, but please note that this is not how it came. I have already washed these, and when I say they washed up beautifully, it is so soft. I can't wait to use them. I think I'm going to use them in a quilt or in a bag. I'm not sure, but you get 8 pieces, and each piece is different. These are some really nice pieces, guys. I love these. I was even thinking about making a color block shirt out of them because I think once I put all of them together, it actually will be enough. But I like these pieces. If I don't make a quilt, I would definitely use them in a bag. But these are very nice pieces. Like I say, they washed up really, really well. The little friend that you see is my fault because I did not serge them before washing them. But when I say that it washed up so well, and they are so soft. Last but certainly not least is number 1, and it is a piece of African fabric as well, and it says it is 100% polyester. This next fabric I am in love with. It is nice. I feel like it is super, super good. It is a super good quality, especially for the spring and summertime to make a little dress out of. I think that you will really, really love this fabric if you purchase it. So let me show you that fabric now. So here it is. This is 6 yards of this fabric. Beautiful fabric. Like I said, it is 100% polyester. I wanted to see if we can see through it. Yeah, it's not even very see-through. It is going to make a lovely dress for this summer. I like it. I love the weight of the material. I think it's going to be really easy to work with. And I can't wait to show you guys what I make with this. But I am so excited and I am super happy with this. I would definitely be ordering more of this African print fabric from Temu as well. Well, I hope that you enjoyed what I got from Temu. I am so excited about everything. I can't wait to put everything in its place and sew up the fabrics that I got. I hope that you will take the time to go to their website and check them out as well. And don't forget, if you're a first time user, you can use that discount code to get even more discounts on the sales that they have every day. With that being said, guys, I want you guys to have a wonderful day. And remember, you are so special to me. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.